First, go to Sheet Metal, select Sheet Metal Rules, select Steel, click here to edit this. The thickness here is 1 millimeters. Press Save. Okay. Go to Create a Sketch, select the top plane, select Line, make a line here, a construction line here, okay. Select a line, make a line here with 24 millimeters, and another line here with 11 millimeters. Okay. Now make a line here. Go to Create, select Arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here, tangent with this line, okay. Make the same sketch here in the other side here, 11 millimeters, and a line here. Okay. Go to Constraint, select Tangent, make this tangent. Go to Sketch Dimension. The radius here is 8 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between this point here and this point here is 21 millimeters. Okay. Now select a circle. Make a circle here with 7.40 14 millimeters, and create another one here with 4.76 millimeters. Okay. Go to Constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point here. Okay. Go to Sketch Dimension. The distance between these two circles here is 5.16 millimeters. Okay. Now select a line. Make a line here between these two circles. Okay. This line must be tangent with this circle here. Go to Modify and select Trim. You can cut here. And we have this sketch here. Then go to Sketch Dimension. The distance between this point here and this point is 12 millimeters. Press OK. We have this sketch here. Okay. Now finish the sketch and go to Flange. Select this profile here. The side is 1, operation new body. And here the steel, press OK. Let's expect this is must be 1 millimeters. That's okay. Now go to Flange again. Select this edge here. Make a flange here with 16 millimeters. Press OK. Go to Flange again. Select this edge here. But now change this full edge to symmetric. We'll make this 12 millimeters to this side. Okay. And the distance here, we make 9 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Go to Fillet. Select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to Create a Sketch and select this face here. Select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle. Make a rectangle here in the center, 40 millimeters by 8. Press OK. Go to Sketch Dimension. Click here in this point here. The distance here is 5.5 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this edge here is 12 millimeters. Okay. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Operation Cut, Direction. On side, extend all. Operation Cut. Flip this. Press OK. Go to Fillet. Make a fillet here inside with 3 millimeters. Three millimeters here. Okay. And now go to create a sketch and select this face, select line, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension, click here in this point, the distance here is 6.2 millimeters, press OK, finish the sketch, we have this, okay. Now go to create and select the bend, select the stationary side, this face here, and select this line here, okay. Now we will rotate this to this side 90 degrees, and we will have it, press OK. And now hide the sketch tree. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.